In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to play Champions League on FC26. So to be able to play it, we need to firstly click on kickoff here, as you can see on FC26. Just going to load here for us. And then in here, just scroll, as you can see, until you get to UEFA Champions League here. So you can play both the Men Champions League and the Women's Champions League, depending on what you want to be able to, of course, do. And you can see if you click on any of those right here, this one also, you can see for this one you can play the league phase, or straight to the semifinals or straight to the final if you want to. But I think the league phase is more fun. I mean, you could go straight to the semi or final as well. But you can see here, you can now choose a team here that you want to be able to play with. So you can select teams right here, as you can see. So yeah, I think you can even select, wow, okay, interesting. You can select any team that isn't even in Champions League right now. So that's kind of interesting. But yeah, basically that is exactly how to play it.